Welcome. If you want to change keyboard theme in your Huawei P40 Pro Plus, let's go for the settings. Right now scroll down, enter the system and the updates, tap on the language and input, and select Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. Tap on the themes, and from the gallery we can download something. And when we enter the yours, we get here the default themes from the Huawei company, and maybe we can change it for this light. So click, use this marker, and right now we can check also how it looks on the messages, for example. And as you can see, our theme of the keyboard has changed. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.